Ever wonder if your products are real? How blockchain proves it. Counterfeit goods now represent a $3 trillion global problem, eroding brand value and endangering consumer safety. Industries like luxury fashion, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and food are the hardest hit by this crisis. Centralized tracking systems remain highly vulnerable, making it easier for counterfeiters to manipulate and infiltrate supply chains. Blockchain gives every product a unique digital identity through encrypted tokens stored on a tamper-proof ledger. Each transaction and ownership change is permanently recorded, providing full transparency across the supply chain. Consumers can instantly verify authenticity by scanning QR codes or NFC tags to see a product's complete history. Major brands like Nike, LVMH, and New Balance are already using blockchain to secure authenticity and enhance customer trust. Blockchain restores consumer confidence by eliminating counterfeits and gray market diversion while giving companies full supply chain visibility. This transparency ensures accountability from raw materials to the final sale. Consumers benefit with instant, verifiable proof of authenticity, enabling smarter and more secure purchasing decisions.